Welcome back. Now, a BJP MLA from Karnataka has stoked a fresh controversy. During a public interaction, he says that the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, must be locked up in parliament and must be slapped multiple times. Listen into his statement.
ಇಂದು ಸಮಾಜ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬುತ್ತದೆಯೋ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಹ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡಂತ ಸಮಾಜ. ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಮಲಗುವುದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ನಾವು ನಿದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತೇವೆ. ನಿದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದವರನ್ನ ಎಚ್ಚರ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಬಹುಶಃ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೋ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಮನಸ್ಸು ನನಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಸರಿ ಎನಿಸ್ತದೆ ಅವನನ್ನ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಕೆಪ್ಪದಂಡೆಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು 7 FIR ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. 2 ಜೀವನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೆಪ್ಪದಂಡೆ ಜೀವೋಡಿ ಇವರಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Well, that's Bharat Shetty, a leader from the BJP. Meanwhile, Karnataka Minister Santosh Lad has now hit back at the BJP MLA. He's calling it as cheap publicity to get into limelight by attacking Rahul Gandhi.
Hey, that's how the BJP speaks, right? This is nothing new. So, if you see the history, they always feel that by speaking negative, they become popular. May it be from Kangana Ranaut, you see everybody, they speak their mind. So that's how they are. So, if such people speak, what we can speak? It shows that they're insensitive. They want to become popular by speaking to that. Just allegation on Rahul Gandhi, it will be national news, which you are now asking my interview. Why are you asking this interview? Because he spoke against Rahul Gandhi. So they want to be in limelight. What is their achievement basically? What is he going to achieve? To become popular, such things are very commonly spoken. So now the entire national media will go and ask him and you will come and ask me. So that's why they want more of a media attention. That's why they do this.
Well, Neha is with us right now. Neha, the Congress party leaders have been calling it as a cheap publicity stunt and wanting media attention. How is the BJP reacting?
Well, that's right, Amita. Of course, something that's quite uncalled for here. A massive controversy there that now Bharat Shetty, in fact, has stoked, making this remark here, calling for violence, going on to suggest that Rahul Gandhi should be locked up inside the parliament and beaten up. But, of course, earlier as well, when such comments have been made by various politicians cutting across party lines, violence, of course, isn't something that should be resorted to, is what, we've seen parties and politicians across party lines, in fact, maintaining. As far as this particular instance, of course, is concerned, he made the statement there while they were protesting against, Rahul Gandhi's remarks that were made inside the parliament about the Hindu community. And we'll really, of course, have to wait and see now whether at all, any cognizance is taken of the statements. But understandably so, this isn't going down well over here with politicians in the state of Karnataka who are condemning this statement.
All right, Neha, thank you very much for joining in. As far as a very controversial statement that has been made by this BJP leader, the Congress party, meanwhile, is hitting back as personal remarks that have been made against the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. We head into a short break.